In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from opening your browser to publishing a fully processed video inside your Kartra library, ready to use across your assets. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kartra. On the results page, look for the official Kartra site. Make sure you're on the authentic domain and that your connection is secure before proceeding. When you've found the correct result, click through to reach the platform. Next, log into your account using your credentials. If your account requires additional verification, follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the Media Center. You'll typically find it in the main navigation area. Clicking Media Center takes you to a hub where all your media lives, and this is where you'll manage your videos. Inside the Media Center, select Videos. This narrows the view to your video library and is the place where new uploads will appear once they're published. Now click the green Plus Videos button and choose Upload One Video. This option is ideal for adding a single file from your computer. It opens a guided flow that keeps the process simple and organized. On the Details screen, add a clear, descriptive video name so you can easily find it later. Then select a category that fits how you organize your content. Thoughtful naming and categorization will save you time when your library grows and you're searching for specific assets. Move on to Upload. Browse your computer and select the video file you want to add. Larger files may take a few minutes, so be patient. Keep the window open and avoid navigating away until both the upload and the processing are complete. You'll see status indicators that show progress. Total time depends on your file size and internet speed. Using a common format like MP4 often helps ensure smooth processing. When the system confirms that your video is ready, click Publish to save it to your library. After publishing, the video will appear in your Kartra Videos list and will be available to use across pages, membership areas, and other assets within your account. If you need to adjust the title or switch categories later, you can return to the video settings without re-uploading. That's the full flow. Search Kartra, open the correct link, log in, go to Media Center, select Videos, hit the green plus, complete the details, upload your file, and publish when it's ready. You're all set to upload videos to Kartra with confidence.